Hello students, very good morning to all of you. We have been taught or we have been learning mathematics, geometry of class 9 ISCE and CBSE course, but today we will discuss a new subject, new topic of science, that is physics, and the topic is reflection of light at a plane surface. So I think along with mathematics I will try to teach physics. So today we will start a new topic of a new subject, that is reflection of light at a plane surface of physics of class 9 CBSE or ICC course. So reflection chapter in physics, I think very easy and interesting chapter. What is reflection? Reflection means we see an object due to reflection. Our eye sees the object, only image of the object. So image is the reflection. What do we see around us? Those are the images we see. As our eye is a lens, so it concur, it receives only image of an object. Today we will start the reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Reflection nothing but this: if there is a light, but we see around us, in your room, in your home, in your surroundings, so many things, but direct sunlight not focus on that side, but otherwise we see the object in shadow places. Why? That is a reflection. That is the irregular reflection, may be irregular or regular, but reflection, due to reflection we see many more things around us, anywhere, anytime. Now that reflection, what is reflection? A beam of light incident on a surface and return into the same medium is called reflection. The beam of light incidence on a surface and returns into the same medium that beam of light is called reflection. a beam of light incident and a return. Incident on the plane surface, incident on the surface, and a return to that surface, return to that medium is called reflection. Then we will go to the regular reflection and irregular reflection. Now reflection in other way, we can tell the return of light after striking into the surface to the same medium is called reflection. The return of light to the same medium after striking is called reflection. So return of light is called reflection. Return of light to the same medium after striking is called reflection. Suppose here is a mirror. Here is a light and reflect in this way. Here is the incident. Here is reflected. So light incident here and reflected to that medium. From this medium it is reflected towards that medium. When light returns to same medium after striking on the surface, that is reflection. Then we go to the regular reflection and irregular reflection. What is regular reflection? What is irregular reflection? So now let us understand what is reflecting body. Here suppose this is a mirror. Our subject matter is reflection, formation of image by a plane mirror. Formation of image on a plane mirror. Formation of image on a plane mirror. This is mirror. Suppose this is M1. This is a coated point. This is coating. This is coating. And this is the reflecting surface. This is the reflecting surface. A reflecting surface. Reflecting surface also silver surface. And this is the polished surface. Polished surface. This is the silver surface. This is the silver surface. This is the polishing surface. The mirror, the polishing surface. This is the, it is the mirror. So this is the polishing surface before the mirror. Where, from where of the image reflected, that is the silver surface. Here when light enters here, reflected here. So this is the polishing surface, reflect from here. Light incident at this point, reflected at this point, this direction. This is a polished surface. So when light incident at this point and reflected from this point, in this direction, that is reflected ray, this is incident ray. When light incident at a point, the rays of light is called incident ray at that point, and reflected ray, from that point the light returns to the same medium, that is reflected ray from that point. At which point it incidents, from that point it reflects. So incident ray, reflected ray, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is plane mirror. Plane mirror, the back side of the plane mirror, that is a coating. If you open the mirror, the back side is a coating. Before coating, that is a silver surface. After silver surface, there is a glass, which is polished. This is polished surface. When light goes to the mirror, light enters this thin glass. This thin glass, the light enters the thin glass and incident at a silver surface, then gets reflected. So if general glass, that is transparent, so light cannot reflect, goes to other side. But here, as there is a silver surface, before silver surface there is a coating, after silver surface there is a polished surface. So when light falls on the polished surface, it gets reflected, which is called reflecting ray, incident ray and reflecting ray. And there, among them, there is a normal. We will discuss what is normal, what is reflecting ray, what is polished surface. Now, then we will another point, regular reflection, irregular reflection. Number one, irregular reflection, regular reflection, and number two, irregular reflection. What is regular reflection? When a beam of light incident on a plane surface or a polished surface gets reflected in a particular direction. When light, this is a surface, plane surface, suppose this is a light incident in this way and get reflected in a specific direction. If the lights are parallel, their reflected rays also parallel. This is regular reflection. This reflection is called regular reflection. So regular reflection is nothing but when light incidents at a plane surface or a polished surface. But irregular reflection in irregular surface, suppose this is the surface, but the surface area is not regular, that is rough surface. This is rough surface, which is called irregular surface, rough surface. When light gets reflect, it in this type, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. So reflected ray has no direction, no particular direction, as it is irregular surface. So light rays comes back after reflection, not in a particular direction. So this type of a reflection is called irregular reflection. When a light comes back to that medium in a particular direction, that reflection is called regular reflection, which occurs on a plane surface or a plane polished surface. But when light returns after reflection, not in a particular direction, this is called irregular reflection, which occurs on a rough surface, but in our everywhere all around us. When we see objects in our day-to-day life due to the irregular reflection. If there is no irregular reflection, one side is lighted, on same the side will be darkness. But due to the irregular reflection in our day-to-day life, we see many more things around us. So in a particular manner. So this is the introduction class of a reflection of light at a plane surface, formation of image on a plane mirror. Then we will go to the regular reflection, some terms about regular reflection, what is incident ray, what is reflected ray, what is normal, what is incident angle, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. So many terms relating reflection we will discuss in our next video. For today this much. Thanks. Very good.